We get it. Everyone at your digital agency is busy creating websites. Web projects have become ever more complex, and the budgets always seem to be getting smaller. Plus, the limitations of your existing CMS are not exactly helping to make things any easier. But what if we told you there was a better way to save your agency both time and resources, allowing your creativity to flow again? Introducing Scrivito. Scrivito is a visual CMS for digital teams. It allows you to create and launch web projects for your clients faster and with less resources. Thanks to Scrivito's collaborative, easy-to-use visual interface, your clients will be happier than ever before. And for your team, it's all just JavaScript and react.js, so it's easy to learn and implement. That means your web designers can create most of the site themselves without any developers. And because Scrivito is leading the serverless movement, it's a 100% maintenance-free CMS. We eliminate all the hassles of ongoing patching, updating, and general maintenance that you had to live with in the past with other CMSs. Scrivito is the modern platform you'll actually want to use, offering an unmatched combination of security, usability, scalability, and flexibility. And that's why it's the most cost-effective solution on the market. So in the end, Scrivito allows you to confidently grow and scale your agency business faster than ever before. So try Scrivito now. Start a free trial and set yourself light years ahead of your competition. Scrivito. Your websites just run better with us.